Hey there, Wall Street winners. As 2024 comes to a close, I've put together an ebook that I wanted that is based on really 10 easy steps that you can implement today or going in to 2025 to achieve financial freedom. And these are 10 really easy things to do that'll get you set and working down the right path. If you're interested in this ebook, just leave me a comment, ebook, on the video, and I'll make sure that I send it to you. So the first thing you want to do, it's really easy. Spend less money than you actually make after taxes. So think about what you make on an annual basis, broken down into what you receive after taxes from your paycheck or however you derive your income on a monthly basis, and spend less than that amount. If you can put the difference away, then you'll have something to start contributing to your financial freedom going forward. There are really two types of debt, good debt and bad debt, and it's always a good idea to pay off your bad debt before you pay off your good debt and before you start really leveraging good debt. So get rid of your bad debt. These would be things like credit cards or car loans or things that you've borrowed money for that are depreciating assets. Invest wisely. Hopefully on this channel, we're providing you some guidance on how to do that. If you're unfamiliar, there's a lot of different channels out there with folks with a great deal of experience that can help you, but maybe start with something fairly generic and I'm going to say safe for the most part. Use dollar cost averaging to buy a certain allotment with that money you're saving on a monthly basis and invest that in an ETF that has minimal fees and grows over time. Avoid the fear of missing out. So when you hear Bitcoin's at $100,000 and you regret not buying it at $8 or $1,000 or something much less, don't jump on board. When GameStop skyrockets its price in a single day because somebody posts a video on YouTube that encourages you to buy it or to short it, stay away from that. The fear of missing out is one of the biggest ways that you can get in at the wrong time on an investment and end up losing more than you'll ever make. Avoid investing in things you don't understand. So this goes hand in hand with the last point around fear of missing out. If there is something that you don't understand, then don't invest your money in it. Figure things out. Find something. I like equities in the stock market or ETFs in the stock market or real estate. But figure out what you want to invest in, learn about it, educate yourself, and then begin investing in that and stay away from all the things that you don't understand. Try to avoid high fees. So if you're looking to trade equities, look for a platform that allows you to pay no dollars per trade, so zero cost trades, or very minimal fees. Try to avoid things like a mutual fund that has a 2% management fee or something ridiculous. Choose ETFs with lower management expense ratios or MERs, and try to avoid fees. And this includes credit card fees. It includes late payment fees. So pay your bills on time so you avoid late payment fees and interest fees. Avoid high fees. That'll keep more money in your pocket. Look for credit cards that have no fees or banks that have no fees and investments that have no fees. Seek advice from people with experience. If you want to get rich or you want to build wealth, then don't listen to people who haven't done it. Listen to people who have done it. Find out what their experience is and listen to those individuals. You don't have to follow everything that I say or anyone else says for that matter, but use your own judgment to decide what makes sense and what doesn't, and seek advice and ask questions. Many people, myself included, are happy to answer questions and provide you our perspective. It may not be correct, so qualify it, fact check it, and research it on your own, but if you work with someone and become affiliated with somebody, maybe have a mentor and someone who's achieved success in an area that you want to achieve success on, the likelihood of you getting there is higher and the likelihood of you getting there faster is higher as well. Plan for taxes. So taxes can eat a lot, depending on where you are, out of what you make or what you earn. So plan for those accordingly. There are many tax-free investment vehicles, depending on where you live, that are specific to countries and provinces and states. So look into what those are and try to optimize those tax-free savings opportunities that are within the law. So obviously you want to abide by your tax authorities' law and governance models, but there are different vehicles in different countries that allow you to do that. Know that time and compounding are your friend and they're on your side. The more money, the less money you put away. You could put a very small amount of money away, but at a very early age. And with compounding, which is the growth of that money and the interest earned or the capital gains achieved or the dividends earned on that money, it compounds over time. So let's say $100 invested today, if you make 10%, that's $110 in a year. If you make 10% on that, it's $11 in a year. If you make 10%, again, it just continues to grow, assuming you haven't sold it and you haven't incurred tax liability and have to pay taxes on that. It just earns and compounds over time. So let compounding be your friend. Start early and invest wisely in something that will allow you to achieve some compound earnings over time. And try to achieve some savings when you're spending. So when you go to buy something, look for a deal, look for something or wait for something to go on sale. Black Friday is a great example. Boxing Day sales in some countries are another great example. Cyber Monday. Wait for, or if you know that certain things are going on sale, Costco puts out a catalog. They tell you when things are going on sale. There are coupons. Leverage that so that you can get more for the hard-earned money that you have in your pocket, and take advantage of those discounts. And don't be afraid to ask somebody or some retailer or a vendor you work with for a discount. Also look for discounts on when you pay things early. Many large organizations offer to pay early if they get a certain percentage discounted off of their invoice. So that's another way to achieve savings. So look to achieve savings when you are spending your money. And if you're using a credit card to collect points, make sure you're paying that credit card off every month so you're not incurring crazy high interest charges on that. I hope this has been beneficial. Download the book. If you'd like the PDF, send me a DM and I'll send it to you. Good luck in your trades. And if you're liking these videos, please hit the like and subscribe.